we are here at APPAC event, and we have two really famous personalities of Dallas Muslim Caucasian of Texas, Aftab Siddiqui Sahab and Miss Sumbul. So Aftab Sahab, first I would like to ask you, would you please mind to give your comments and reviews about today's function?
It's a great function. So many people have come in, but I must say one thing, that it is a joint function with Muslim Democratic Caucus of Texas and APPAC. So it is a coalition which is really holding the function. And as you can see, we have so many candidates coming who are running in this city council and school board elections. This is probably the first time that so many of the South Asian people, Arab, Middle East, and of course then we have friends from Nepal, and then we have got some African American and some Caucasian candidates who are friends of our community who have come here in supporting us, and we are also supporting them. So it's a great event, and I can tell you that this is a progress towards political empowerment of the American Muslim community.